What's up, my fans, man? Welcome back to another YouTube channel. Today is on a Sunday and I'm headed to work. Sunday is one of the best days in the world, but it happens that today I'm going to work. Let's go see what's up and then head home. Long time, guys. It's Victor Gatobu, and today I'll be taking you on my favorite road trip, which is from Isinya to Kiserian. That's one of my favorite roads in the world. Let's go, guys, and enjoy the drive. This is Isinya town, and it's around 36 kilometers to Kiserian and 50 kilometers to Ngong. This is going to be an enjoyable drive. Let's go. Country road, take me home. What a beautiful Sunday. And now to my dreamland, Ololoikoitok. The best day to drive is on a Sunday, and let nobody ever lie to you. On Sundays, everyone is either in church or at home sleeping, so the roads are really empty. Look at this. No single car on the road for kilometers. So I'm just having the most fun I've ever had on a Sunday or ever on a car. One day I'll be living around here. One day I will have a better car than this. Just one day. It's a matter of time. Just a matter of time. So I'm going to have a pit stop next to the air park. Just take it all in. Just enjoy the breeze, enjoy and visualize and manifest. So this is my favorite spot of all times. On the left, you'll go to Champagne Camping and and off-road challenge. And then on the right in the front you see the air park where you can go and land with your plane. So this is like the best of my two favorite worlds, cars and airplanes. Beautiful spot. What a beautiful spot. Yeah, this is where I come. Stop. Look at these guys. Look at this beautiful spot, guys. Sorry for the wind noise. So there's an off-road track on that side, and then on this side there is an air park. Those are the hangars, and there are planes there, and these are the houses for the people who live there. So what an awesome place. This is Ololoikitosh. And as you can see, it's on a Sunday, so everyone is either in church or at home, so not many people out. Those are the Ngong Hills right in front of us. Now we are almost to Kiserian. Oh, I almost got busted by cops filming men while driving. Look at this matatu. Us Pablo Escobar from Colombia. If you haven't checked out Narcos, you're missing out, man. Just check it out. It's an awesome series on Netflix. Those are the Ngong Hills. So we are arriving at Kiserian at the moment. This is now Kiserian, man, and we've come to the end of our road trip. Next is Songata Rongai and then home. This is Rimpa. And this is the legendary Ongata Rongai. If you are a young person looking for a house in Nairobi, this is where you find it. This is where you gotta be at, man. Try Rongai and talk to me. This is Kware Market in Rongai. Kware. Nini? Ndio.